guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're here at Winners and we're going inside and we'll see what they got. Look at this. A DKNY for $79.99. Oh, a bag from Jessica Simpson for $49.99. It can be a backpack or a handbag. Nice one. Look at this. I found a Michael Kors. So from $195, it comes down to $129. There's another one too. Great color. So the original price, if you're gonna buy this at the Michael Kors, it's $228, but here at Winners, $119, so more than 50%. Cool, guys. Let's see here. A DKNY, from $158 to $79.99. I like it. It's cute. Nice one. Nice find. So yeah, rush at the Winner stores. Oh, another DKNY. $79.99. I think this can be a shoulder bag. Oh no, it's just a handbag. What's this one? Oh, a Kate Spade, the white one. This is for $99.99. Great finds today, hey? Oh, I think another Kate Spade. This is $129 from $258. Nice white sling bag. Okay, we're in a clearance rack. We'll see what they got here. Oh, we have some mini MAC lipstick. The Runway Hit retro matte lipstick. Oh, and you found the Buxom Shimmer Shock lipstick for $5. And just put this a Nars Satin Lip Pencil for $7. And we have a travel mini lipstick from MAC for $20 from $24. Oh, look at this. A Smashback travel size lip gloss for $13. Good one. Oh, I got some brushes from Bare Minerals. Indoors. And look at this. Real Techniques brush. Makeup section. What's this brush? Oh, a brush from Stila, a double-ended brush for $19.99. Nice. Okay guys, we got some e.l.f. here, eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow. It's a metallic eyeshadow for $4.99. Nice color. Oops. We have some mascara. Oh, I'm dying. Pro Beauty. Oh, we get a Cara Beauty Outlash for $7.99. This is cute. And look at this. I found a Profusion Iconic Foaming Clashes. This is nice for $6.99. Toss. Okay. Lots of Cara Beauty. Oh, we got some. Oh, look at this. Absolute. This is a nice one. For $9.99. Oh, look at this. This is a new, different brand. Wispy and Willowy from Allure. It's just one pair, so it's two, right? Of course. Oh, why is it for $9.99? I wanna see. Oops. Oops. And we'll see up here. We got some Nars Lip Tint for $9.99. What's this? Oh, we got a Too Faced here. I wanna try that one. We got a Too Faced here, a lip injection extreme. Or for $12.99. Sephora Foundations. Oh, what's this? This is from Too Faced. 12-hour cocoa powder brow pencil for $12.99. Oh, a Clinique mascara. We got a Marc Jacobs mascara for $40.99. And we have some. Oh, I've been looking for lash line. This is from Duo. Oh, I have this. I want to try a Cala adhesive, but it's a tube one. Fast drying dark blend for $4.99. But I don't like tube one. Lots of lashes today. Another one for Cara. Oh, there's a bigger set from Cara Beauty. This is a nice one for $16.99. And down here we got lots of Becca Foundations. This one's from Desert 2 and 2 shade for $14.99. Cover FX Natural Foundation 30 ml G40 for $14.99. I'm not sure about the shade. Oh, what's this? Oh, a primer from Sephora. I want to get this. So for $5.99, we got some NYX and Marc Jacobs powder blush, bronze and highlight palette. And look at this. We got lots of Laura Mercier foundation for $19.99. Now this one. It's a tinted moisturizer. I got one of this. This is an illuminating powder for $19.19. Oh, and we have this Marc Jacobs. This is how much? For $16. Oh, okay. What's this one? Oh, but this is Laura Mercier Cuddle Closure Perfection for $14.99. Oh, another Laura Mercier primer, $16.99. Good. Is it the same? Yeah, they're the same. This one is an illuminating primer. What else do they have? Some nail polishes. Oh, look at this. I've been on Susan. We got Laura Mercier in medium dip finishing powder for $16.99. What else? Oh, look at this. Multi-stick Sephora for $5.99. Oh, we got this one. I want to get one of these. Bare Minerals for $12.99. And another illuminating powder from Laura Mercier. A Becca, a bronzer for $14.99. What's this? Same Laura Mercier. We got a BH Cosmetic Truffle Orange and a chocolate marshmallow. It's a blush palette. NYX Off Tropic for $12.99. Another. Oh, you see something? Okay, we got several elf here. And we got a Cara Duo eye palette for $12.99. And these are the shades. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna get this. Sweet Shop Cotton Candy. It's an 8-color eyeshadow for $9.99. Let's open it. You wanna see? Oh, eyeshadow? They're big pans actually. So there is 4 shimmers and 4 mattes. Look at the color. I like it. I think this one. Another BH Cosmetics Orange Sorbet 8-color eyeshadow. They got big pans. I'm gonna take this one. This is a nice collection. And I heard BH Cosmetics is closing. So yeah, that's why maybe we're finding more stuff from BH Cosmetics here. Oh, and then we find another Cara Cosmetics. I have this one before. And this one's a new one, Escape the Ordinary for $9.99. This is the color story inside the palette. Oh, and another BH Cosmetics Drop Dead Gorgeous Full On Crazy. It's a 14 eyeshadow for $9.99. But I don't know if you can open it. Oh, so this is the color story. I think there's just only one pressed pigments, 3 shimmers, and the rest are mattes. I don't like color story. We have the Bobbi.Brown eye palette. This is how it looks like for $39 from $60. This is Molten Drama, and I think another Bobbi.Brown eyeshadow palette for the same $39.99. I'm just gonna search this one and see, let you see guys what it looks like inside. What else? And more Cara Duo. This is, I bought 2 of this collection. This is like the palette like Totally for $14.99. And this is the color story. Looks nice. And there's lots of Riviera palette for $29.99 from ABH. I have this palette and the Subculture one for $29.99 as well. And I think this one too. This is the color story of this one. It's 24. I cannot open it, but this is nice too. I don't know if I'm gonna get this, but for sure I'm gonna get this too.